My name is Ray Lee, and I'll be going over zero hunger and food insecurity around the world, and specifically in Cameroon. So before I get started, I want to show you all a diagram, and this basically is showing the food. This is comparing the total population to the population of people that are that are malnourished in Cameroon. So the light green is the total number of population, is the total population number, and down here is the malnourished population down here. So as you can see, the numbers have been going down since 2002. Oops, sorry. The numbers have been going down since 2002. It's on a slight decline, and it really hit a dip down here, right? So there isn't that much of a prevalent problem with food insecurity in Cameroon, but there's still things that we can do to help lower that even more, right? So I had a quick diagram that I made, and basically one of the ways we can help solve this problem is to have social programs implemented, and we can teach people about the different types of food, how to grow food, the nutritional value of food, and how much of each food we should be eating, right? Because I feel like a lot of people waste a lot of food, and they eat too much of one food source, right? So like a lot of people eat too much starch, right? So you should be getting a balanced diet. I feel like most Americans learned about balanced diets in primary school, but that's things that other countries haven't implemented yet. So I feel like including these programs across the country will help people understand, like, hey, maybe I should put something else on my plate. Hey, maybe I should add this, or like things like that. Those are things that help solve problems, right? I also think that helping and buying from small farmers and local businesses also keeps food insecurity low, because the more you buy locally, the less overconsumption you get. And then there's always I want to say like a barter system, right? So you paying a local farmer who sells potatoes or who sells cabbage, things like that, that helps keeps food on his table, and it's supporting local businesses and keeping the economy up, while also making sure that nobody really goes hungry and you only buy what you need, right? So protecting food, that goes into being able to know what you're eating, know where you're getting it from, being able to help fund these farmers who know what they're doing, who know how to tend to the land. So these are things that would help lower the numbers even more, right? So I feel like these are answers to food insecurity problems that everyone has, and this is something that can lower the problem of like lack of resources or lack of income and things like that. And we also get good quality food because you're getting it straight from a source of a local farmer, and you know exactly what you want to get because I'm educated on my percentage daily values and what food groups do what and how they benefit me. So things like that are things that I feel like definitely help and everyone needs when it comes to like the Zero Hunger Initiative and things like that. So I hope you learned something from this short video, and I'll have a link to a presentation that will show you a visual of everything I just talked about, link down below.